Is it visible right?
Yeah, it's easy.
So let's start. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sahana from EasyLib Software Private Limited. So I welcome you all for the ID card design and print webinar today. So today we'll discuss the complete, like how to design the student ID card or else a library ID card. So basically, ID card generally, as you all know, it supports the daily activities like attendance, like for the library, book issue, book return, and for the in-out existing also. So it basically promotes the discipline and the smooth operations to give the students a sense of belonging to the institution or a campus. So in our EasyLib, we have also provided the how to design or how to customize the ID card. Okay, so let's start. I have already logged in into our instance. So in this, you can see we are having the barcode and the ID card design print. Okay, so when I just click on this, you'll be finding the first one will be the barcode generations and the second one will be the ID card. So as I already told that today's demonstrations will be only on the ID card design and print. Okay. So let's get into the ID card setup. Okay. So here you'll be seeing the ID card formats and how to design the ID cards using front and the back side of the ID card. Okay. So basically, whenever you wanted to design the ID card for the first time, right? First thing you need to type for the ID card format, whatever the name that you wanted to give as a format name. So for example, if you are taking as a library card, okay, you just need to add the format of the card. Okay. Then we have already designed the few of the libraries card, which is already over displayed over here. Those are already a templates of a EasyLib. So why can't we just go through our customers who are using a day-to-day life? Okay. So I'll be just showing the two of the clients who are already designed such a beautiful way that they are already using in day-to-day life. Okay. So I'll just take the examples and I'll just overview and how to design the ID card. Okay. So I'm just going with the College of Dental Science. Okay. So they are already using the ID card designs in day-to-day life. When I just click on menu. Okay. So here you'll be finding ID card, barcode ID card and design and print. Okay. So as usual, the first screen will be the barcode and the second one will be the setup ID card and generate ID card. Okay. When I just go to the setup ID card, okay. So they are already using the ID card. So I think they have already, yeah, the card format is already there. So the cards ID card, just click on inquire. Inquire means like whatever the alignments they have done, whatever the fields that I have added, those all data will be displayed. Okay. When I just click on the inquire, see you can see the customized, like how the way they have designed the front one and the back one. You can see with the properties and you can see the fields, alignments and all you can see over here. For example, the width one and the height, left distance, top distance, this is for the front side. When coming to the back side, we have already same, we are having like a width, height, left distance, top distance and so on. So the first thing they have added is the member image and already the text one, like whatever the postgraduate, undergraduate. So let's directly review and then we can start the designing one. Okay. So when I just click on the preview option, so already they have completed the ID card design. So I'm just clicking on preview. Okay. So yeah, this is the ID card that I have designed. I think the background image is already uploaded and the one which you are seeing the logo and the colors and all, those you can, one thing you can use in a Microsoft Word also, or else if you wanted to go for the Canva also, you can design the background image and you can just paste it over in our EasyLib software. Okay. So in this way, when the background image is added, right? So after that, what we need to do, so for the member image, we need to align whatever the fields are there, whatever the properties are there. Like for example, if you're having height, width, and the front one, back one that which you wanted to add, you can just add the alignments and you can just paste it out. Okay. Then next coming to the postgraduate, if you wanted to add any of the text, not only the postgraduate, if you wanted to add the member name directly into the member name, you can just go over the member name. So here the added postgraduate, then comes to the member ID, then comes to the particular, like whatever the academic year they are going under through from 2025, 22 to 25. Okay. So next coming to the barcode. So barcode, it's already generated through the member ID. So when you just type the member ID and the barcode is also generated from there. And then coming to the principal sign, which is already designed from the backend image. And this is, you can see this is over here. Okay. Next coming to this background image. So background image, you can see they have already added the college photo. Okay. So this is quite beautiful. You can just see. Okay. They have ordered mobile number, blood group, date of birth, address, and so on. So you can also just add these all details, or else you can. One thing, the best thing, like library ID card means library instructions. That is a mandatory one, right? Like for the instructions that you wanted to give, the books borrow, or else the fine rupees, or else if the ID card has been lost, whatever the instructions that you wanted to give, you can just add over in the back side of the image. Okay. So lastly, they have added the ID card property. Okay, this ID card property belongs to the so and so college and their phone number, email, and the address. Okay, so this is how they have designed the beautiful of the ID card. Okay, here are the fields. Like for example, if I have taken the back side for the mobile number, you can see. Okay, the mobile number they have added left distance, top distance, and alignments. In the similar way, the blood group has already added, and the date of birth is already added, and the address is added. So this is how they have customized using the Canva or else using your Microsoft PowerPoint, everything you can use. In the meanwhile, you can, if you wanted to use in just in a small, like a basic version, like completely only the college logo, and if you wanted to add the name, member details, like a barcode, whatever that you wanted to add, that I will also show you. Okay, so this is all about College of Dental Science. Why can't I just take another one example? Okay, they are also using one of our client, Mudalkette Institute of Technology. Okay, so they are also using the ID card in day-to-day life. Okay, I'm just logging. So here you can see when I just go to the barcode, ID card, and design and print. Okay, so let's get to the setup ID card. Okay. So from start, I will show you how to design the setup ID card. Okay. So let's take the ID card format. Okay. So I'm taking MITM underscore library card. Okay. Library student card. So this is the card format that I'm taking. When I just click on inquire, yeah, you are getting blank because so this is not added. So to add the ID card formats, I'm just clicking on add. Okay, so the ID card format has been added. Okay, when you just click on preview, you are getting to see only the blank screen. Okay, so the fields are not have been added. Okay, so when I just click on add append field, this means whatever the data that you wanted to add from the database. For example, if you are adding member ID, if you are adding the branch, course, those all you can add it over here. Also, if you wanted to add the customized text also, that is also available. You can add. If you wanted to add the images also, you can add. Okay. So firstly, if I wanted to add the college logo for the library, okay. So this is the blank card, the front side and the back side. Okay. So if you wanted to add the college logo, so I don't have the college logo, then I need to go for the particular college and I need to download the logo, right? Okay. So let's get downloaded. Okay. So here is the logo. So I have downloaded the logo. Okay, let's come back to the setup ID card screen. Okay, I'm just choosing. So we are having two fields. Okay, one is customized field, that whichever you wanted to add, for the example, name, text, and all. Customized one that you can add it over here, or is the database which is already existing in the software. Okay, so I'm just taking the customized field. Okay, then go for the image. If now currently I'm adding the logo, so I'm going with the image. Okay, so the image, like choose file. So I have already downloaded the logo. Okay. So now coming to the main part. Main part is like how you add the left distance, top distance, image width, and height, right? So for the left distance, whatever the image that you wanted to add, whether it should be enlarged, small, like how the width is, the top distance is, and height is, that you are going to see it over here. So for example, I'm taking left distance as, let's take around like 15. Okay, I'm just taking as a basic. Okay, the top distance will be around 15, or let's take around 12. Okay, the image width also, let's take 20, and the image height, I'm just taking 10. Let's see how it displays, then we can rearrange the fields. Okay, Yeah, so this is quite, it's not looking in the field. Okay, so let's take. Okay, let's take around, okay, 70, and the top distance will be the 16. It's a quite difference we are seeing. Okay, so it's a quite difference. So we can change it out within two, three fields and all. Okay, the image width, I think the 20 is correct one. Okay, so let's take 13 has a image height. So when I just click on preview, yeah. So this is perfect. This is the college logo has been fitted perfectly. So yeah. So after this field, so once the logo has been added, the next thing will be the college name. Okay. So when you wanted to add the college name, so just the same format. Okay. Whatever the complete you wanted to add the fields and all, just click on add append field and then goes to modify. Okay. So this is the front page that I am doing. Okay. The next one will be the add append field. Just click on customize field. Okay. The next will be the text where I'm going to add the college name. Okay. The text one. Okay. Text one will be the Moodle Institute of Technology. Moodle. Okay. So just take it out and technology. Okay. That's it. Okay. So yeah, now coming to when I just click on preview, so you can see already the Moodle Institute of Technology has been there, but this alignment is not correctly. Okay, just we need to take it in the center form. Okay, so for that, slightly changes we need to do. Okay, so for this also left distance I am taking as a 17. Okay, so and the top distances will be around 18, and alignment whether it's right, left, or central, that we need to check it out. Okay, I'm just taking this as. Okay, now click on preview. Okay, this is not accurately. Okay, so let's take it as right. Okay, or else we'll take as a central only, and the left distances will be quietly different. Like it will take around 35 or else 30 is okay, I think. Yeah, this is perfect. So the here is the logo, and at the center you can see the Moodle Institute of Technology. Okay, so this is the college name. Next, coming to whether you need to define whether it's for the library card or whether it's for the student ID card. So the particular name, if you want, if you can give, else you can directly goes for the adding the fields like image, members, and details. So just for the example, I'm showing like let's take the student ID card or a student membership card. Okay. So when I just click on custom field, then go for the text. So student membership card. Okay. So here also left distance, top distance for every fields you are getting. So for the every fields also you need to align the properties where it should set accordingly. Okay. So for the left distance, let's take it as okay. I'm taking 70. Okay, let's take 30 only. By has it is showing in the center one. Okay. So 30 and the top distances will be, it's already 18, right? The before Moodle Institute college name is 18. So let's take a slightly different. Okay, I'm taking 22 and the alignment align is for the center. Okay, so just preview. Okay, so yeah, student membership card. I think this is a little bit we need to move down. Okay, so the top distance might be 25. Okay, it's preview. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, student membership card. Okay, so you have you wanted to add the student membership card also, you can add it, or else if you wanted to add the library name also, you can just add it over here. Okay, so the this one the naming has been completed. Okay, the next one will be the image. Okay, the member image. Okay. So for that member image, so the custom field, if you're having in your local system, you can just add from the local machines only, or if you are already having the database, you can just go over it. Okay. For this, I'm taking the database, and here I'm going to choose the image. Okay. So in the image, I'm going to choose member image, where member image, whenever you are already doing the member entry screen, right? You are already, if you're having the member image, which while doing the register, so that you can use for this screen. Okay. So this is for the member image. Okay. So let's take the left distance, top distance and all. So the member image for this, I'm taking like, let's go for the 20 or else 25. Let's see. 25 I'm taking. And the top distances will be 30. Okay. So I'm just comparing the above ones. Okay, the logo, the Moodle Institute of Technology, student. I'm just comparing the above one and I'm like trying to get the accurate alignments. Okay. So the image width will be around 22 and the image height will be 28. So let's check it out. Okay. Let's take it as a 16 because as it is a left distance. Okay. So click on preview. Yeah, okay. So the left distance might be little bit inaccurate. Okay, we'll take around the, let's take 17 and the image width will be 23. Okay, the height is correct one. Okay, so you can just check it out. Okay, this is perfect. Okay. So here you can directly, if you wanted to paste also, you can paste it out, or else if you wanted to directly take from the database the complete print also, you can just go over it. So this is the member image where you are going to see the member image. Okay, this is the screen. So next coming to the fields, like for example, member ID, member name, branch, date of birth, etc. Okay, I'm just going with the member ID. So for the member ID, I'm taking database. Okay. For that, I'm taking text. Okay, so the prefix text, prefix what you wanted to add. So if you wanted to add only student ID card, you can go ahead. If you wanted to add member ID, that is also okay. Or is just you wanted to add the ID card number, that is also okay. So I'm just going with member ID. Okay, so in this you are getting a drop down, like what database that you wanted to choose, right? So here I'm taking the member ID. Okay. So in this also the left distance, top distance and alignments that you wanted to check it out. Okay. So the left distance, already we have added the image, right? The image path which we have added. So next we wanted to add the member ID where you are going to replace it. Okay, fine. So the member ID will be the left, for the left distance we are taking around let's take for the student membership card, we are having the left distance 30, right? So based upon that, I'm just taking slightly different, that is 42 or 43, let's say 40. Okay. And the top distance might be around, okay, let's take 35. And the alignments, whether it is central, left or right. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh, yeah. So here we have seen the member ID. So this is quietly like slight according to the this one right side. So let's take to the central part. Okay. So the left is top distance is 30. Let's take 27. Okay. The left distances will be 35. Okay. Okay. This is also not correct. Okay. So let's check it out another. So we'll take 40, then goes to left is top distance. Top distances will be 30. And this is, let's take it as L, okay? So that we can see whether it's getting correct or not. Yeah, okay. So the member ID is correct. Okay. So here is the college name and here is the student membership card. And I think we need to bring a little bit down over here. Okay. For that, just take the top distance, make it as 32 or 33. Okay. Just preview. Yeah, so this is perfect. Okay, so the member ID, next, whatever the details you wanted to add, the left distance is correct and the alignment left one is also correct. Okay, so next coming to member ID is completed. Just next goes for the member name. Okay, so when I just click on this, the same process goes down. Okay, so database, then goes for the text. So now for the member image also, for the member name also, if you wanted to add only name, that is also fine. If you wanted to add student name, that is also fine. It's up to you. Okay. So I'm just taking the member name. So in the drop down, you are going to select the member name. Okay. So yeah. So here also, make sure to add the details left distance according to the member ID. The first one which you have added, right? So according to the member ID only, the next whatever the fields that you are going to add, like member name, department, course, and all. So the left distances will be same only because in that way the correct alignments has been taken over. Okay. So for this, I'm taking the 40 only, the left distance. Okay, the top distances will be, let's take, it's 33, right? Let's take it as 38. And the alignment, it's for I. Let's take it as C. Okay, central. Okay. So click on preview. Okay. So the member name is here. Okay. Let's take it as L. Okay. So I think this might be fine. Yeah. So this is perfect. Okay. The member ID is also correct, and the member name, this alignment is also perfect. Okay. In the same type. Okay. The member ID, whatever the left distance that you have chosen, right? In the same way, the next one, if you wanted to add course also, that is also the left distances will be same, and the top distance and the alignments that is will be different. Okay. So I'm just going for the next field. Okay, the next field will be same database. Go to the database and choose for the text. Okay, for this I'm going to take the department. Okay, so I'm just taking the department. Okay, just go for the drop down, choose the department one. Okay, so the department next will be the department. So the same for the department also you are going to take left distances will be 40 and the top distances. Top distances I have taken 38, right? So let's take 42. Okay, and the alignment will be in the left one. Okay. So when I just click on preview, you can see the department one. Okay. So I think this little bit, it should come the downwards. Okay. So let's take 45. Okay. Oh, 45 is too long. Okay. 43. Yeah. So this is perfect. Okay. Member ID is correct. Member name is correct. And the department is also correct. Okay. So next coming for, if you wanted to add the academic year, for example, only if you wanted to add the valid date or else the expiry date, that also you can go ahead. Or else if you wanted to add the mobile number, that is also, it's up to you, up to the librarian, how they are going to design the ID card. So I'm just taking with the course, as I've already added the department. So let's take it with the course. So this also same, add database. Okay. Then text. Okay. Then I'm going to choose course. Course. So the same alignments goes down also. Here the left distances will be 40 and the top distances, like it's 43, right? Let's take 48. Okay. And the alignment is also in the left one. Okay. So let's check it out. Okay. The course is also perfect. Okay. The member ID is added, member name is added, the department and the course is added. So next coming to, if you wanted to add any of the other things, like we are already having the drop down. Okay, so let's check it for database, then goes for text. And if you wanted to add here, we are having several filters, like for example, address, subscription date, expiry date, for the name and all. Wherever that you wanted to choose, you can just add the fields and just goes on. Okay, so for this, I'm just going with the, let's take for the branch. Okay, course is added, branch. Otherwise, if you wanted to add the expiry date, that is also fine. Let's take the expiry date itself. Okay, so I'm just taking valid till. Okay, so valid till, and the left distances will be 40 and the top distances will be 52. Okay, so 52 and the alignment will be in the left one. Okay, so just click on preview. Yeah, okay. So most of the details has been added already. The member name is there, member ID is there, member name, department, course, and valid till date. Okay. So valid till date, I think that should a little bit come slightly down. Okay, let's take 53. Okay, just click on preview. Okay, so this is perfect. So in this way, you can just add the whatever the fields that you wanted to add. Next, coming to the barcode. Okay, the barcode that is already generated with the member ID. So I think I need to take under the member image only. So let's try it out. Okay. So when I just click on add append field, just go for the, okay, database, the same process. Then go for the barcode. Okay. So in the barcode, as I already said, it's generated with the member ID. So I'm just taking the member ID. Okay. So the barcode also, the left distances, whatever that you wanted to add, you can add it out. So has the left distance is 40, right? For this one for member ID, we are having 40. But for the barcode that you wanted to place after the member image, so that we need to check it out. I'll just choose like what I have taken from the logo part. Okay. So this is 17, right? So let's check it out. So I'll just take 20 left distance. Top distances will be around 53, right? Okay, let's take 58. Okay, and the barcode width. Okay, so barcode width has, I'm taking 30. Let's see how it comes. Okay, and the barcode height will be approximately 7. Okay, when I just click on preview, yeah, okay, so this is quietly getting collide each other. So let's reduce that one. Okay, the barcode height will be 6 and the left distances will be 17. Okay, the top distance is also 50. Let's reduce for the 2 digits. Okay, 56. And the width is 28. Okay, so just check it out. Yeah, this is also not incorrect. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, so the top distances, let's take 50, like 59. Okay, the width is correct. Height will be around 7. Let's take 8. Okay. I think the height is too bigger one. Okay, let's reduce it one. Okay. The I think 5 or 6 is correct. Let's take 5 and see. Okay. 5 and the width I'm going to reduce for 25. Okay. So I think this is perfect. Okay. The member ID, after this, you are going to find the member ID. So the here will be the member image. After that, the whatever the barcode is there, that is generated with the member ID. So the here you can see the member ID after adding the complete fields. Okay. So let's add, either if you wanted to add the librarian or else if you wanted to add any signature, you can just add it over here. Okay. So let me add the librarian. Okay. So that if you wanted to add the signature of librarians, you can just add it up. Else the student signature also, if you wanted to add, that is also fine. Okay. So I'm taking custom field. Okay. Here text and then goes for librarian. Librarian. Here also you are going to find the left distances, top distances and alignments. Okay. For the left distances, I'm taking, let's take around 45. Okay. And the top distances will be 65 or else 60. Let's try it out. And this will be in the L. Okay. So let's check it out. Okay. So this is, yeah, currently it should come here. Okay. So let's just move the alignments, I think. Okay. Just taking R. Let's check it out. Okay. Top distances, let's take 60. Okay. So a little bit slightly different. Okay. Top distances is 63. So meanwhile, I just wanted to tell to all who have already joined the webinar, if you're having any questions, please post the questions so that I can happy to assist you after this complete designing the ID card. Okay. You can post it out in our chat box. So the left distances, let's take around 44. Okay. So I think this is perfect. Okay. The member here, you can see the barcode and the member ID, and here you can see the librarian. Okay. Let's take a slightly down. Okay. Downwards. So the top distances will be 60. Let's take 64. Preview. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Okay. So here you can either, if you wanted to add the signature of the librarian, that is also okay. Or else if you wanted to add the signature of the students also, instead of librarian, you can take it as a library signature of the students. Okay. So this is the complete front page of the ID card that you are going to design. So firstly, I have added the complete format. Okay, where you are going to add the format in the first case. Okay. Then second, after adding all this, you need to modify the fields. Okay. So once I modified, okay, you are getting saved successfully. So I'm just going to refresh the page and let's see. Okay. The choose the format name. I have added MITM student library card. Just click on inquire. Okay. So whatever the fields that I have added, those I have already saved in the system. You can just click on preview and check it out whether everything is correctly or no. Okay. So here you can see the college name, college logo, and whatever the fields that you wanted to add, that is also perfect, and the barcode and the librarian. So everything is perfect from the front end. So let's, why can't we just check it out by the back side? Okay. So the back side also we are having the width, height, left distance, and the top distance. Okay. So it's already been added. So let's directly go for the add append fields. Okay. For this also just clicking on add append fields, then go for the custom field. Okay. So for this I'm going to take the instructions part. Okay. So for the library purpose also, basically it will be the instructions for the item issued or not, for if at all whatever the details that you wanted to add in the instructions form, you can just add it over here. Okay. So I have already make a note of the library instructions here. I'm just copy paste and let's check how the instructions may be displayed. Okay. So for this, I'm taking the custom field. Okay. Then go for the text format, then add the text whatever that you wanted to add. Okay, so let's take the first one will be this card is not transferable and it might be only useful for the register number. Yeah, so it is a non-transferable and this is only used by the register members. So who all have registered already into the system, so those can only use this ID card. So let's copy and paste it over here. Okay, so for this also we are having left distances, top distances, and the alignments. So left distances. So completely we are having here, we have taken 17, right? So 17 to completely, like apart from this, as we are having the two fields, like front one and back one. So let's take approximate around 100. Okay, and the top distances, if you wanted to add like too big, you can just take it as 20. Okay, and the alignments. Okay, so starting you wanted to place from the left also, that is okay, or else if you wanted to go with the center one, you can go. I'm just going with the left. Okay, left alignment. So when I just click on preview, okay, let's see. Okay, so this is little bit quiet apart from the box. Okay, so let's correct, make it correct. Okay, this card is not transferable, it must be used only for the register member. Yeah, this is okay, fine. So I'll just take it as 111 for the left distance. Okay. Top distance is, I think 20 is correct. Okay. The left alignment also correct. Let's check it out. Yeah. Okay. So this is perfect. So the first one is this card is not transferable. It must be used only by the register member. So this is the first instruction that you're going to add. The second one will be, let's take carry this card for the all librarians transactions for the entry, book issue, return if the card is required. So this will be the second one. Okay. So I'm just taking this customized one. If you wanted to have the particular rules and regulations for the instructions that you are happy to add it. Okay. So for this also I am going to add the field, then custom field, then going for the text format, and just paste the second one. Okay, so for this also the left distances will be the same because as the alignments must be being in a correct way. So this is also left distances I'm going to take for 111. Okay, so the top distances, let's, why can't we take only the, just give the five differences. Okay, first one is 20 and the second one will be the 25. Okay, and the next one will be alignment, that is I'm going to take in the left one only. Okay, the left alignment. So let's check it out. Okay, this is colliding each other. Okay, I'm just taking for 28 top distances. Okay, just click on preview. Yeah, okay, so this is correct. Okay, the first one is first instruction, second one is this card is for I. Okay, so this is correct. So let's move for the third instructions. Okay, so the same process goes for the third instructions also. I'm just taking only few. If you wanted to add more, you can just add it over here. So custom field, the text one, and the third instructions. Okay, third instruction says if the members are responsible only for the book issued, loss or a damage of the book will be incurred for the fine as per the library rules. So this is the third instructions. Okay. So if the book is issued and if the book is any gets damaged, then they are responsible as a member. Okay. So let's take the left distances as a same, that is already being there. Okay, the top distances will be, let's take around 32. Okay, and the alignment will be in the left one. Okay, yeah. So let's check it out. So this is also slightly different where we need to move the top distances. Okay, So for this, make sure to add the correct one. So I'm just adding randomly as I'm not remember of all the appearance fields, whatever the top distances are there. Okay. So let's add for this. Let's take around 38. Okay. And check it out. Okay. So the, yeah, 38 is also there. Okay. I forgot to add the member 3. Okay. Okay. This is the third one. Okay. The third instructions. Okay. Yeah. Let's take top distance as 37 and check it. Yeah, so this is perfect. Okay, the first one, second one, and third one. So all three instructions are correct. Let's try for another two and we'll just check it out how the design works. Okay, so the fourth one will be lost, report lost cards. Immediately a duplicate card will be issued with the applicable charges. So whatever the card has been lost, so they will be charges according to the college rules. Okay, so for this also, just click on add append field, go down and same custom field, then go for the text, then fourth instructions which you wanted to add. Okay, so this will be the fourth instruction, and the left distances will be as usual same 111. Okay, the top distances, let's take around, okay, it's 37, right? So let's take around 42. Okay, and the alignments will be in the left one. Let's check. So this is also quietly different. Okay, let's take 46. Okay, so the 46 is correct one. So all four are added correctly. Okay, so the last one will be checking. So for the last one is return books on before a due date. Late returns will attract over the charges. Okay, so for this also the same process. Okay, add a pin field, scroll down. Okay, then custom field, then go for the text and the fifth one. Okay. So for this also it's the same left distance 111 and the top distances will be it's 46, right? Let's take around 52. Okay. And this one will be the L. Okay, that is the left alignment. Let's click on preview. Okay. So yeah, this is a slight top distances that we need to move. Okay, let's take around 54. Check. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Okay. So whatever the instructions that I have added, you can just see. Okay, so the first instruction, second, third, fourth, fifth, all are in the exact accurate properties which I have added for the alignments and all. Those are looking perfect, and the front one is also looking beautiful. So in this way, you can just add using the alignments, and you need to set whatever the alignments that you wanted to add. Okay, so I'm just click on modify. Okay, so whatever the fields that I have added already saved in the system. Okay. So when I just click on refresh, just for the cross verification, I'm just checking out. Okay. Okay. So all has been added into the system. Okay. So when I just click on preview, you need to get the details that whether it's in alignment form or not. Okay. So the complete design of this ID card has been completed. So let's check how with the system or with the EasyLib system that we need to generate the ID cards, right? So let's check it out that one. Okay, for this we are going to generate the ID card screen. Okay, here you are going to see the generate ID card screen. Okay, just click on that and you need to choose the format. So I have already taken MITM library ID card. So let's take for that. Okay, MITM library student card. Okay, for this member range, you need to add the member range. So how to get the member range? If you are already known for the member ID card that you wanted to paste, okay, you can just add. If not, you can just check it over in the menu one. Okay, just open, go for the student master data. Okay, here you are going to see the all members data. So if you wanted to take from starting only, you can take, or it's for the just for the checking purpose. If you wanted to try it out by choosing any random member ID, you can just check it out. Okay, so let's take, I'm just taking 25. Let's take for the MBA ones. Okay, MBA 001. Okay, I'm just taking around 20, or else let's take 30 so that we can check. Okay, 25 MBA 30. Okay, sorry, 30. Okay, Now just click on generate ID cards. Yeah, okay. So this is how you are going to get the ID card with the image and the barcode, member ID. See, this is so beautiful that the whatever alignments that I have done, those are all already been setted over here. See, for the example, if you are going to choose for the member ID, the 25 MBA001, the name, Sharanya, department. If the course is not added, then you are going to see the blank one. And the validate. Validate is nothing but have you already seen, I have chosen for the expiry date. So you can see 31st Jan 2017. Okay. So this is her barcode and she can directly scan over and she can enter the library. Okay. So this is her member ID. Okay. Here, if you wanted to add the librarian signature, you can just add it over here. So in this type, see, I have taken 30 records, right? See, they are completely, it's so beautiful that each and every photo and every barcode that whatever the alignments that I have given, it's completely beautiful, looking wonderful. Okay, so you can just try it out in such a way that uh, completely for the ID card purpose, if you wanted to take a printout, you are having already option. You can just download the 30 records, not only 30 records. If you wanted to take the ID cards in a bulk format, also you can just type the member ID from if 100 also 200 is also okay, and then you are going to download and take a print from outside. Okay, so this is how you can check, you can design the ID card. Okay, so I have already taken the 30 records. See, you can see the it's completely getting over in a A4 size paper. Okay, so few of the images are not been there, it means it has not added in the system. Okay, so rest of the views you can just see it out. So this is the basic design. If you wanted to add like color one, or else if you wanted to add with your logo, college photo and all, as I've already shown in the starting, the College of Dental Science, they have added using the beautification with the college photo and all, the background color. You can just choose over this one. Okay, so this is for the library purpose and the basic complete design of the ID card. Okay. So in this way, you can just check it out. And if you wanted to download also, you can just download. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. You can take printout and you can just give to the outside person that you are going to generate. Okay. So this is how the setup ID card of the ID card design that is going to be happen. So if you're having any doubts or if you're having any questions, please post to the chat box. I'll be happy to assist you. Okay.
Sahana,
Yes, Kshama.
we got some questions actually.
Okay. Okay, fine. So Radu explaining for the A4 size paper format, it's no use. Is there any possible integration with the latest machine? ID card and barcode, let me know. Yes, sir. Thank you for the questions. But yeah, currently I'm using for the A4 size paper only. So you can just download this one, download the this one A4 size paper, and you can directly take from the machine which you wanted to take a print from the outside also. And I think the latest machine currently from our end, we are not using, I think. So this is only for the A4 size paper. Okay. We both have barcode and ID card printing machines. Now we need to generate with those printers. Is it possible? Yeah, is it possible? As it is in the A4 size only, you can just check it out which machine you are using, whether it supports the A4 size or not. According to that, you can just take those printers. Okay. The next one is there any possible ID card printing existing printing machine? Okay, as I've already said here, if the machine supports the A4 size or else A5 size, whatever the sheet that you are going to add, I think that might be a possible one. Okay. So currently I have did not check with the existing printer, whatever that we are having. So basically we have designed this one and you are going to download in the A4 size sheet, and then when you are going to get the printing outside of apart from the institution, then you are going to get it out. Okay. So thank you for the questions. If you're having any questions, you can just raise it. Just a second. Yeah, sorry, I just got a call. Okay, if you're having any questions, please post the questions. Okay, thank you, sir, for posting the question. Can we use this feature design for the certificate also, like for the events attendance? Yeah, yeah, sure. For the event purpose also, we can just use this one. The same process goes for. This is for the when you go for the ID card and design. Okay, so let's go for the setup an ID card. So when you choose the format, for example, the certificates. Okay, when you go for the ID card certificates form, and you need to add the same as usual for the front side and the for the certificate, the back side won't be there, like most probably. So for this also you can use the certificate is also okay. The event, if you are going to do the any event also, for that is also this screen is available. Also, we can design ID cards different sizes. Also, please guide. Yeah, sure, sir. Yeah, for the different card size also we can do. So the basically what happens is like the whatever the front side and the back side you wanted to choose for the ID card, right? You can just go over with the width also. So has it's already in the A4 size also. If you wanted to go for the A5 size, A3 size also, the same process goes on. Okay. So when you just click on preview, here you can see the, I think this is A4 size. Okay. So basically A4, A3, A5 size also you can just go over. Okay. Any questions? Please post it out. So one thing for the future ones, not only the ID card, if you wanted to add for the certificates for any of the events or else for the complete process of taking the reports and all also, you can use this setup ID card screen where you can design and where you can customize your own setup for the certificate purpose or else for the ID card setup also. I think I have answered according to the knowledge that I'm having on the ID card design. Okay. So if you're having any questions, please post it out.
Sana, this is Vasu. I just want to
Yes,
add a
sir.
couple of more items. Yeah, couple of
Yes.
more items. I wanted to give an update on what are the new enhancements coming to this area. So the
Okay.
currently the ID card software is designed to help you come up with the ID cards or the certificates which are centered around the ID card. In future, we are working on an enhancement which will give you ability to integrate multiple items in the software. So among from the different modules, you will be able to get the data and then have that data added into the certificates. So whenever that is ready, we will be happy to show the demo. It's going to be in about in the first quarter of 2026. We are going to launch that specific version, which is going to be much more versatile and going to help you design the certificates integrating multiple fields, many more fields. I'm done.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. In future also, yeah, we'll be if that is the enhancement work is going on, and we'll be happy to give you the demo. Okay. So I think
So
if
some
you
of
have
those
any,
enhancements, yeah.
yeah.
So some of those samples we are looking at is certificate design, certificate marks card design. So that marks card design is much more complicated because it has to get a lot more details, including apart from the student ID, it has to get the examination marks, certificates, marks obtained, what is the grade obtained, what is the CGPA, and all that. So all of them we are trying to integrate in a customizable marks card format.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah. Got it. Thank you. So everyone, if you're having any queries and doubts, please post it out.
Yeah, good to see so many people are having attended this. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And everyone, thank you for attending the ID card design and print webinar today. If you're having any queries or any questions and all, please post the questions, or else if you wanted to contact, direct contact to our support team and the EasyLib. Okay, thank you all for attending the webinar. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sahana.
Yeah, thank you.